Last Friday night, Eau Claire North High School held a Red Out to benefit the American Red Cross. The faculty advisor for North High School's chapter of Students Against Distracted Decisions is Jordan Fish, and he talks about why the organization organized the Red Out.
Just kind of the dangers that heart disease poses. It's the #1 killer of, #1 cause of death in America, and it's just something that doesn't get a lot talked about. There's a lot of initiatives that are awesome for breast cancer and prostate cancer, and heart disease is something that's kind of forgotten about. And mostly everybody's going to be affected at some point in their life.
Fish says the level of support for this Red Out has been great.
We have a great support. If you look at the student section, a lot of red in the pep band in the student section, all around the school, and just kind of do our part to raise awareness for this deadly disease.
Fish also says that he's excited to see his students who have organized the Red Out be involved in the community in many other ways.
It's just great. A lot of the kids that we have in our organization are involved in numerous sports, numerous other clubs, and they take the time out of their busy days, their other activities to try to just send a positive message to the rest of their classmates. It's something that's really nice.
For Inside Eau Claire, I'm Mike Fault.